On 30 June 2021, the Secretariat of the Association of World Election Bodies, AWEB, and the International Center for Parliamentary Studies, ICPS, co-hosted a webinar titled, How to Incorporate New Systems into Our Electoral Processes. The Association of World Election Bodies was established in October 2013 with the aim of promoting democracy by fostering efficiency and effectiveness in conducting free, fair, transparent, and participative elections around the world. It currently comprises 118 election management bodies, EMBs, from 108 countries. Established in 2010, the International Center for Parliamentary Studies aims to promote effective policymaking and good governance through better interaction between parliaments, governments, and other stakeholders in society. It is based in London, the United Kingdom. The AWEB Secretariat and ICPS jointly hosted a webinar titled Ways to Overcome the Challenges of COVID-19 in Election Management from a Policy and Technological Perspective in September 2020. As ensuring the safety and integrity of electoral processes in the midst of COVID-19 pandemic has become one of the common challenges faced by EMBs, the international collaboration in addressing such challenges has become vital. In this regard, the AWEB Secretariat has hosted online seminars on election management to facilitate the exchange of extensive experience and knowledge among member organizations, partners, and other stakeholders. The topic of this webinar was suggested by members at the 9th Executive Board meeting of AWEB last March. EMBs from 56 countries, international organizations, and NGOs such as UNDP, OSCE, OHIDR, IFES, IPC, and ANFREL took part in the event.
Making valuable use of the opportunity presented today, I would like to emphasize again the tremendous potential of AWEB to serve as an effective forum for the sharing of best practices.
The Central Electoral Commission, of course, has been, over the past years, very much digital oriented.
Since the introduction of electronic voting machines, the demand for the transparency at every stage of the election process.
Информационная система управления избирательным процессом выглядит следующим образом. В левой части схемы изображено формирование единой электронной списка избирателей, исходя из данных, представляемых ответственными органами за формирование списка. Например, Государственный центр персонализации биометрических данных избирателей.
As I said before, there were immediate concerns about touching things. In most of the elections nowadays, they use biometrics.
Il fallait résoudre un problème. Le premier problème que nous avons eu, c'est un problème de bulletin de vote.
You encrypt the ballot, you strip the voter personality from the vote. That's all you need to do. Encrypted ballot help you to hide intermediate results. But speaking about the transparency, because all the votes are encrypted and because we use the blockchain.
Los elementos claves a recordar a los participantes pues tienen que ver con el uso asertivo de las tecnologías de la identificación, por supuesto en los escenarios de la identidad digital, que es la charla que pude realizar, para garantizar confianza, para garantizar transparencia en los certámenes electorales. La experiencia de participar en el webinar pues es bien importante. Primero, nos permite contarle a diversos países y al mundo entero las buenas prácticas que ha realizado Colombia en la aplicación de estas tecnologías y pues todos los escenarios que tenemos para garantizar transparencia en el certamen electoral colombiano, y por supuesto también nos permite aprender de experiencias, nos permite aprender de aquellas enseñanzas que nos dejan la aplicación de tecnologías y de otras recomendaciones de los compañeros en otros países.
I think the most important aspect is to understand how we could digitize and add value to electoral processes and what a great impact each technological tool has on the quality and transparency of the electoral processes. It is really such an interesting field, and I am glad that I was able to discuss multiple solutions, use, and how we might develop even more. I'm always excited about exchanging ideas regarding the new IT solution used in the electoral processes. The webinar allowed me and my peers to explain what a successful technological solution we have and how we could implement more solutions on our electoral system. I hope that our network will continue to grow and improve the infrastructure of democracy.
The webinar was composed of 2 sessions. The first part focused on the experience of EMBs in applying technologies to election administration. Participants in the panel were representatives from the Election Commission of India, the Central Election Commission of Uzbekistan, the Central Election Commission of the Russian Federation, the National Civil Registry of Colombia, the Permanent Electoral Authority of Romania, and experts in the election field. The second panel discussed the impact of using technologies in electoral processes. The AWEB Secretariat will continue to offer a venue wherein members share information about election management and promote partnership with one another. AWEB, a valuable network for EMBs.